Hey guys, welcome to this new video. It's me Ivo, and today I'm gonna show you exactly step-by-step tutorial on how to buy and sell stocks using the ETrade website, our ETrade platform. Now, from those of you that are just getting started and if you don't have ETrade account at the moment, I'm going to link a video in the description box where I go step by step. I've made a tutorial on how to open an eTrade account in under 6 minutes. So if you don't have the account already, please make sure to pause this video and go watch the other one because I explain everything step by step as I'm going to do today. If you stick with me until the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to buy and sell financial instruments using the eTrade platform. Now, without losing any more time, let's get right into it, guys. So what you see right here in the moment is my personal account. I don't have any money inside this account. I have not used it for a very long time. This is how your back end is going to look like inside the eTrade website. And from here, you have few options. You can go to accounts, trading, markets and ideas, and what we offer. This is the default view. So once you log in, you're automatically going to see the accounts. And from here, you can do everything you actually need. And you can just go here under quick links. You can select portfolios or trade, transfers. So if we hit trade, we're going to see this window here. And then you have to select what financial instrument or a stock you want to purchase or sell. And for today's example, I'm just going to put Apple here. You can write AAPL, or you can also write the whole name of Apple like this. It will show either way. So it's very easy to navigate. So once you select the stock, here you're going to see a little information about where the stock is trading at the moment and the bid and the ask size. For those of you who don't know what this is, the bid is the highest price somebody is willing to pay at the moment for this stock for one share, and the ask size is the lowest price somebody is willing to sell at this moment for one share. Then underneath, you're going to have to select your market order, and you can select buy, sell. If you select buy, this means that you're going to buy a stock. If you want to select sell, this is when you want to sell your stock for a profit or a loss. If you want to use the third one, which is to sell short, that means that you actually are going to short Apple stock and you're going to profit only if price goes down further from the current price. And for you to do this, you actually are going to borrow shares from some person that already bought the shares, and they're offering the shares for people who want to take the opposite side of the trade and they're trying to short the stock. And buy to cover is how you are going to close your short position if you decide to place a short order. Now for our example, we're just going to select buy and we're going to put the quantity, let's say 20 shares. Here if you click calculate, you can put, let's say you have 100 bucks. This will give you 0.85 shares. If you have $1,000, this will give you 8.55 shares. This is just a calculator. You can buy a fraction. I think you can buy fractional shares already on the platform. I'm just going to put 20 for now. Underneath, you're going to see price type, which actually is supposed to be order type. I don't know why they have it like this. And this is the type of order you want to put. And these on the bottom are kind of complicated, and we're only going to use limit order or market order. So if you select market, this will execute right away at the current market price, which means that if you're going to buy, you're going to buy at exactly 117.17 because this is the lowest somebody is willing to sell. So for you to buy, there must be a seller that you're buying from. And if you want to place a limit order, the limit order must be anything under this price. So it can be 117.16, and this will place you right here on the bid side. So anytime you're placing limit order, your limit order goes to the bid side for buying, and anytime you're placing a market order, your order is going to be executed right away on the ask side. So this is pretty much the difference between these two. I hope it gets a little bit easier for you to understand right now. And at the bottom, you're going to select for market order. It gives you only one option, good for the day. But then if you hit limit, oh, there's the other thing. You have to give a limit price. So your limit price can be anything from 117.17 all the way down to zero. So if you want to buy 20 shares at 100 bucks each, this will give you an estimated total cost of $2,000 for the whole position, and then you're going to only be executed if the price drops down to $100. If you want to be close to the market price, then we're going to select 100 and let's say $16, and then you're going to be under this bid, so there will be more orders between you and this bid. But then if price drops only $1.12, you're going to get executed. So when you place a limit, that pretty much says, hey, I want to purchase at this price, and I'm willing to place my order there until it gets executed. And for that, you can select a few different options. This option right here will only place the order for the following trading session that you're going to be trading at. Obviously good for 60 days. This is going to be valid for the next 2 months. You can select a specific date that you want that limit order to expire. And then the other ones, I haven't played with these, but most of them are very self-explanatory. And this is pretty much it. Here on the right side, you can see a snapshot of the price chart. This is 5-day chart. Next to it, you can see your positions and open orders. So if you place a limit at 116, let's just preview this order. Oh, now it gave me that I don't have the funds. So to give you a better example, I'm going to launch the Power ETrade platform. There we're going to do the exact same thing. I have a demo account there, so we're going to use the demo account to actually execute the order, because right now, first of all, the markets are closed, as you can see here. US market closed. And the next thing is that even if they're open, I don't have funds in this account to execute the order, but I want to show you the exact order. So we're going to launch the Power ETrade platform, and we're going to continue the tutorial right now. All right, guys, here we are in the Power ETrade platform. So on the top, you're going to see, again, if the markets are open or closed. Here it gives you that you're getting delayed quotes because you actually have to purchase real-time data if you want to use real-time quotes. Here you're going to see on a regular account, there will be your name or account number. Right now it says paper trade account, which means that this account is demo account. And here on the left side, I'm going to see that I have live account value of almost $100,000 and margin buying power of almost $200,000. Again, whatever stock ticker you want to trade, you're just going to go here. If you want to trade Tesla, just put Tesla in this box and the chart will automatically load. But now for the example, I'm just going to go with Apple again. So we're going to select Apple, and from the platform, it's super easy to use because you have the bid and the ask right here on the right side. So if you click the bid, there will be a window that's going to pop up, and this is pretty much the same window as in the browser option we just discussed, but you kind of have a few more things. So here you can select buy and sell, price type, you can select limit or market. We're going to select limit. This is the limit price. Again, we're selecting limit at the bid price, so we're going to go down to 117.12. And automation, we're going to select none. Duration, we're going to select good for the day. Now everything looks good right now, and once we select, oh, one more thing, the quantity. We want to buy just 20 shares. That will give us 23.42 total amount. Let's preview the order. Here you see how much are you going to spend. There are 0 commissions and fees, so this is the total. And then you're going to see what will be your cash buying power after this trade is executed, and what will be your margin buying power after the trade is executed. So let's send this trade right away, and we're already done. This is your confirmation, and you can just hit view position. Well, actually it hasn't been executed yet, so we might have to wait 1 minute or 2. Okay, I just realized why it didn't get executed, because I actually placed a limit order. So we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to place a market order. So I'm going to click on the ask to bring up this window. We're going to select 20 shares market. Actually, if you select market, it's going to select automatically the ask price when you're buying and the bid price when you're selling. So again, everything looks good here. We're going to preview the order. We're going to send it. Paper trade placed. There we go. Now you can go to view position, and right away you see your position right here. You see your Apple shares. You have 20 shares. And from the drop down menu, there is something very useful. You can go to place a trade here. You can go to quotes, options. If you want to trade options, you can see the chart. If you click on the chart, and you can see custom grouping, which I am not sure. I think you can group some of your positions. So this is how you buy the stock. Now, if you want to sell the stock right right away. Then you have few different options. From here you can click and then you can just select close. It will bring the same window. This time we're going to have this button on the sell side. You can again place limit, but for the sake of this video we're going to select market, so we close the position right away. This will hit the bid, and let's do the preview, send, and we're done. We have no more open positions. Now, if you go to balances, you're going to see here that today we lost $1, and on the underperformance, you're going to see that today, I don't know how we made 240 when I was just executing orders to show you guys what to do, but it doesn't really matter. So again, guys, if you have any questions on how to use the platform, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer you right away. I check my comment section every day and I personally answer all of the questions. And for you guys that are just getting started, I'm going to link this video on how to open the ETrade platform for under 6 minutes. As usual, I'm glad to have you here, guys, and I very appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Have a good one.